Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Tesla Unlimited any kind of lagging, shuttering or the crashing problems. I will show you the different solution to fix this problem, so you just need to apply them one by one. And guys, first you just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have it and if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem. So let's see how we can fix it. Guys, first you just need to right click on your taskbar and just open up the task manager. You can also go to the window search and type here the task manager and it will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application because this application will consume a lot of the bandwidth or the CPU or the RAM usage on your PC, so that will cause your game crash. Then go to the startup apps on the top, and when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, and you just need to disable this because when this application are running, this application will consume a lot of RAM or CPU usage. So after you disable it, now guys, we are going to set the high performance power plan for our PC that will prevent any kind of lag or the stuttering problems. To do this, go to the Windows search and type at the control panel and just open it. And guys, here just click on the view bar and just select it to the large icons. Here you will see the power option. So just click on the power option, and on the left hand side just click on the create a power plan, and here just select the high performance power plan and then just click on the next option. Then just create the high performance power plan for your PC. After that guys, now go to the Windows search again and type the game mode settings and it will show on the top, so just open it. And guys, here just need to make sure that the game mode setting is on. When it was on, it will close all the background processes when you are on the game, and which will prevent any kind of lag or the shuttering problems on your game. So you just need to make sure that it is on. After that guys, now we are going to set your game to a high performance. To do this, go to the Windows set tab at the graphic settings and just open it. And guys, once you open up the graphic setting here, just click on that game, then just click on the option, just select the high performance. To add the game, just click on the browse option you are seeing here, and then here you just need to locate the folder where your game is installed. So you just need to go to the folder where your game is installed. If your game is installed on the Steam, just open up the Steam and go to the common folders and just open up the your game and just select your game launcher. Then just click on the option selected to the high performance, then just close it, and you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes, and then you have to launch your game. And I hope your any kind of lagging or the shuttering problem will be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you just need to lower your FPS in your game and also lower your resolution. Then just launch the game and hope your problem will be fixed after this. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.